Sony Honda Mobility Afeela. 3 years after surprising CES 2020 attendees with its first concept car, Sony now has a manufacturing partner in Honda and a brand name, Afeela. According to Sony, the first Afeela model will be available for pre-order in the United States in the first half of 2025, with the first customer cars arriving in the spring of 2026. According to Sony, the car on display has 45 sensors, a digital display on the front bumper, LiDAR for autonomous driving, and 3D graphics created with Epic Games' Unreal Engine. The first Afeela vehicle will reportedly be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon Digital Chassis, a new car platform that combines telematics, connectivity, driver assistance, and autonomy. The Qualcomm chassis will also be used by other car manufacturers. BMW I Vision Dee. BMW debuted a new concept car at CES that can change its exterior color in seconds. The body is covered in panels that function similarly to the screen on your Kindle ebook reader. This prototype supports up to 32 hues, and graduated patterns can be created to blend from one tone to another. The I Vision Dee's interior includes what BMW hopes will be the future of head-up display (HUD) technology. An interface is projected on the entire windshield, replacing a traditional dashboard display, with the driver able to choose from 5 levels of immersion, ranging from a simple, shallow band of driving and vehicle information to the entire screen showing a virtual world. The car, a sporty and compact 3-box design that we'd love to see BMW produce, also debuts a new voice assistant system called Dee, which is supposedly more of a companion than a voice assistant. Given BMW's previous experiments with digital voice assistants, this may be more difficult to bring to market than the Metaverse windshield or e-ink paint. Volkswagen ID.7. VW took a more traditional approach to its CES announcements. Instead of a futuristic ride, the company revealed that its ID Aero concept has been renamed the ID.7, a midsize electric sedan that will go into production soon. For the time being, the exterior is still camouflaged, albeit with color shifting, illuminated, and electrified paint. Not to be outdone by BMW, the interior includes a large 15-inch infotainment display and a new augmented head-up display. There's also a new climate control system that starts heating or cooling as the driver approaches and automatically adjusts airflow direction to reach the target temperature faster. To address ergonomic flaws in VW's current interior design, the ID.7 now permanently displays air conditioning controls on the infotainment system's home screen, and illumination has been added to touch-sensitive temperature sliders. 7 will be in the upper middle class of the high-volume segment, based on the VW Group's MEB platform. Peugeot Inception 500-mile concept. The Inception by Peugeot, at more than 16 feet long, demonstrates how Stellantis' STLA large electric car platform can accommodate larger vehicles. Because of the long wheelbase, the car has an equally large 100 kWh battery pack, which Peugeot claims has a range of just under 500 miles. The battery powers 2 electric motors, one on each axle for all-wheel drive, with a total output of 680 horsepower. The car can be given 93 miles of range in 5 minutes thanks to an 800-volt architecture similar to that of the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT. For the time being, this is just a concept, so all of those statistics should be taken with a grain of salt. The Inception was created to demonstrate what type of vehicle the platform can support, and while no plans for a production version have been revealed, Piaget says the concept's design will inspire future vehicles beginning in 2025. The concept vibes continue inside, with a rectangular steering wheel called the Hyper Square by Peugeot, complete with touch-sensitive controls beneath the driver's thumbs. Qualcomm's Snapdragon Digital Chassis. A major theme of CES 2023 was how technology companies and automakers must collaborate more closely than ever before. Qualcomm, the company best known for producing smartphone processors, demonstrated this most clearly with its Snapdragon Digital Chassis. The system, which works in tandem with Salesforce's cloud service, is intended to be used as a comprehensive platform by automakers and their component suppliers, encompassing telematics, connectivity, computing, entertainment, driver assistance, and autonomy. Qualcomm claims the platform is open, scalable, and upgradable in order to appeal to as many vehicle manufacturers as possible. The company is already working with multiple auto OEMs. The system includes 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and vehicle-to-vehicle communication technologies, as well as the ability to be personalized and upgraded over the life of the vehicle. Qualcomm also unveiled the Snapdragon Ride Flex SoC, a new car processor designed specifically for use with driver assistance systems and infotainment systems. Ram 1500 Revolution electric truck concept. Ram, which is owned by Stellantis, does not yet have an electric pickup truck to compete with Rivian or the Ford F-150 Lightning. It has, however, made an appearance with a concept known as the 1500 Revolution BEV. The truck isn't ready for production, but it demonstrates Ram's strategy for competing with Ford, Rivian, and the upcoming electric Chevrolet Silverado. The Ram concept, slated for 2024, features a dual-motor, all-wheel drive platform and all-wheel steering for improved low-speed maneuverability. The truck will use an 800-volt architecture, which the 400-volt Ford Lightning lacks, for rapid charging, which will add 100 miles of range in 10 minutes. Of course, you must connect it to a sufficiently powerful charger. Ram has not specified the size of the battery, and performance figures are also unknown. The cockpit has two 14.2-inch displays, with the removable lower screen also serving as a tablet. Removable seats and a center console hint at the load carry capabilities buyers can expect from the production model, and there's a fold-out tabletop for working on a laptop while parked, just like the F-150. A pair of doors open between the bed, cabin, and frunk, providing 18 feet of space between the three compartments for carrying extra-large items.